Hi, this is a do-it-yourself glass transporter. If you want to buy cheap glass like shower glass doors or screen shower doors or any kind of glass door, this is a simple glass transporter. All you need is just a 6x4 or 2x4. This is a 2x4, 2x4, 6x4, and you can use a 2x4. I have a 6x4. Just 4 screws. 2 screws here, 2 screws here, that's 4. And then you screw 2 here to hold this. And the same thing on the other side. I was using this just to hold it. Alright, and just drop it in here. Get this out of the way. This is a simple glass transporter. Okay, you just take the glass, lay it down. Lay it down. This will keep it from sliding back and forth. This won't move. This is solid right here. It will not move. And it's solid at the other end. Alright, so this is just a few bucks at Home Depot. I already have this lumber, but you can go to Home Depot, and here you can put an 8-foot, 9-foot glass, depending on how you want to lay it down, or 5 feet, 6 feet the other way, 8 feet, 9 feet the other way, depending on the width and the size. You'll figure that out when you're loading it. And you can just lay one glass, and then you can lay the other glass on top and the other glass on top. So you can lay down as many glasses as you want, depending on how big and thick this, if you use a 2x6 or 4x6, okay? Do it yourself glass transporter at your own risk. Alrighty? I hope that helped you out. You don't have to buy that metal one, that big one for $800, $1,000, or you can just make your own. Simple. Okay? See you on my next video. Peace. Ciao. Bye.